Hello guys. So if you're looking to use image prompts on Midjourney, so in that case you have come to right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply get the Midjourney bot onto your Discord server. If you don't have a Discord server, just simply go into the Midjourney server and just simply join any of these servers, which is newbies over here. Just simply click on them, and over here you can give the prompts to generate images. Now you can do the same process if you add the Midjourney bot to your server. So for doing that, click on the Midjourney bot, then click on add to server, choose a server and hit continue. After that, a bot should appear in your server, which you can find right in the members tab over here, as you can see right over here. Now to give some image prompts. So firstly, for doing that you will need to get an image. Now to get the image you can go to a website called Upflash, as you can see right over here. So after you open an image, for example this one, as I have already selected that, now what you have to do is just simply open this image on a new tab. So right click on it and click on open image in new tab. Now choose the new tab. Now what you have to do is just don't copy the URL from the website, because it won't work if you do that. Copy the image in the new tab. So after you have done that, go back to your server. Now enter the prompt / imagine. After that, just simply paste your link, then hit enter. Now if you're using Midjourney 5 and if you're using a single digit prompt, so firstly what you have to do is just simply change the version of the AI. So for doing that, just simply click on the chat box over here, / and settings, then enter. Now just simply click Midjourney version 3. Now you can enter single digit prompt. So for doing that, firstly / imagine and enter the prompt, and now it will replicate this image as an example and will make you 4 different versions of it. As you can see, it have already started. Now if you want to enhance your image more further, what you can do is just simply choose Midjourney version 5. If you're now to enhance your pictures even more, just simply choose Midjourney 5. And now let me show you how you can enhance your images more. So firstly what you have to do is simply click on the chat box / imagine, then paste your prompt. Now what you can do is just simply add more details that you want to see in your particular image that you want to generate from the AI. So for instance, ultra realistic, and you can use commas to separate the details that you're going to enter, then 4K. Now after that, if you want your image in a particular aspect ratio, you can also enter that just by entering a space -- AR, then again space, and enter your ratio, like for example 16:9. Now if you want your image to look as much as the image that you just uploaded or gave the link, you can use image weight. So for doing that, again space -- IW for image weight. So the current standard default image weight is 2.5. So the higher you will go, the more accurate you will get the image, and the more you will go down, the image will look much different than the original that you uploaded. So for this example, I will give the image weight of 2. Now after entering all of the details, just simply hit enter. And now as you can see, it started. So let's check the first version that we just got. Now as you can see, it's pretty decent from the image that we uploaded. As you can see, this is the image that we uploaded. So it was using the version 3, so it is not that upgraded, but right now we are using the version 5, which is far more superior to version 3. So just simply wait for it to generate. So as you can see, the image has been generated right over here. Now these look all pretty nice compared to this one, as you can see right over here. Now there is another way of uploading or sending a photo into Midjourney. So for doing that, again go back to website and get a photo, or just simply get any photo from anywhere you want. So I'm going to take example photo from this particular website again. Let's say for example, let's take this photo. Now I'm just going to download the photo and save it to desktop. Now what you have to do is just simply upload this particular photo in the chat where you are giving the prompts to the Midjourney. Just simply drag and drop onto the chat, or you can click on the plus icon over here and upload file, then choose the image from there, then hit enter. Now wait for it to upload. Now after the image is uploaded, just simply right click on your image and click on copy link. Then again just simply go ahead and use the prompts, but this time we are going to change something. So type / settings, and this time we are going to use Neji version 4. Now what this will do is it will make the picture more cartoonish. So let's try it, and there are much more settings that you can play around over here. So keep testing. Now you can click dismiss to get rid of this over here. Click on that. Now give your prompt, imagine, the link, then space, let's say for example monkey with glasses. Then let's add an aspect ratio. For that, dash dash AR, distance 4:3, and image weight of, and hit enter. Now just wait. So as you can see, the image came pretty nice, and all of them are quite nice. So now to get an image, what you can do is just simply click on open in browser, and it should open in the browser. Now as you can see, I have exported all 4 of the images. Now if you want a singular image, you have options over here to upscale or make variants of the particular image. Now this is a topic for another video. So for now, that's it, and thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.